Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's me, Teresa Perrin. I want to discuss ticker MULN. M as in Michael, U as in uniform, L as in Lima, N as in November. Guys, this is one of my favorite positions in my portfolio because it has the ability to make massive moves, both to the upside and the downside. And obviously, we're close to all-time lows right now, but we suddenly pop to the upside. And I have opened an additional position in regards to my swing trading account. I have added MULN back into it. I do currently hold MULN in my long-term portfolio, and it is one of my largest positions because I do believe, guys, that this stock has the potential to go on a massive run. And if everything that David Mitchery is claiming regarding MULN's battery and regarding the growth of the company and the vehicles that we've seen showcased, then I really believe, guys, that this stock could be a future banger. Now, it's in a very tough space as there are a lot of EV companies currently in the market right now, and obviously they are not being treated very well as far as by Wall Street because they are all trending down. The only one that seems to be holding its own is Tesla. Other than that, guys, if you look from all-time highs, even Tesla's down from all-time highs, but overall, it's probably holding up the best. Now, in my opinion, I am hoping that MULN becomes a strong contender in this field. Currently, I also believe in Polestar, PSNY. However, I have cut my position drastically because it has dipped below the $8 mark, and actually it's trading in the $6 range, and I'm down to my last one quarter. And you know, guys, it's just because I'm holding it in my portfolio long term, but right now, all of these companies are down. So it was nice to see MULN have a pop today. And I want to focus on that and why I think it's going to go higher. So remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Let's get started. For those of you unfamiliar with this ticker, it does have a free float of 411.3 million shares. The volume today was almost twice its normal volume. Normally it's 62.02 million, and today it had over 100 million shares traded. So maybe closer to 1.5 times, a little bit more than that, guys. But still significantly larger than normal volume. And suddenly we were able to pop out of that downtrend we were in. Now the 52-week low is 52 cents and the 52-week high is $15.90. So as you can see, there is a huge potential to move to the upside with limited risk to the downside, in my opinion. And guys, here is the chart from today. This is actually the last 5 days on the 5-minute chart. And I pulled this up because I wanted to show you that we are currently forming a bull flag. And I believe tomorrow morning we are going to break back to the upside and make our next leg up. The only news that broke today was this article, peering into MULN Automotive's recent short interest. And actually, guys, this wasn't even today. This was from 9/2. So this was the last news catalyst that we got. So there's no apparent reason for why MULN would start running today other than it clearly didn't respond to this article on Friday. So maybe it is long overdue and trying to make a nice move to the upside. So MULN's short percentage of the float has risen 9.18% since the last report and is currently 16.18% according to this article. Now, according to Fintel, the short interest is 15.24% with 0.75 days to cover, and over half of all the shares traded today were on the dark pool. Currently, there are only 600,000 shares available to borrow, and 16.38 is the current cost to borrow for this ticker. And as you can see, the dark pool, guys, you know, it's in the 50% almost every day, with the exception of 2 in the past 8, where it was at 46.13 and 46.90. So clearly, guys, you know, when you trade half of the stock in the dark pool, it's very easy to manipulate the price, sadly, but true. Currently, we're looking at the failure to delivers, and as you can see, tomorrow there are 529,550 failure to delivers due, guys. So this is huge considering there's only 600,000 shares available to borrow. That would mean they would have to borrow almost all of them in order to make up for these failure to delivers if they haven't covered. Now, going forward, as you can see, it's generally ranged in like this, 59,000, 27,000, 31,000, 15,000. But guys, going into next week, we start to see it get higher. In fact, it even gets up to 1,055,989 shares. So if the pressure continues to go on MULN and starts raising the price, guys, I think that there's a substantial ability to move this ticker up. And guys, I'm excited because this is definitely long overdue, and everybody holding MULN, there's a huge following, and I hope that we can really blow it out of the park. If you look at the chart from last time, you'll see, guys, that this stock hit a high in the $4 range. So I'm hoping that once again, we'll be able to get at least there, if not even better. So no promises made. Obviously, this is definitely a bear market that we're in, and things are ugly, but this is the best time, guys, to buy stocks when they're cheap. Buy stocks that you think have a good upside coming and just accumulate. Don't worry about what the price action is, other than the fact that you're getting a steal, because at 60 cents, at 66 cents, 67 cents, whatever it's trading at right this minute, you can buy it almost 7 times what you could when it was at $4 and change, right? Or 6 times at least. It's crazy, guys. You can buy a lot more for your money right now. And never mind that. Imagine being the person that bought at $15. I mean, that's crazy. But you can get a lot of shares very cheap of a lot of great names. So now's the time to accumulate and hold. And wait for it. This is the opportunity, guys, to create substantial wealth. Again, not financial advice. Make sure you do your own DD and pick stocks that you truly believe in. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night. Please hit the like button on your way out. I appreciate you.